Hello, greetings from Sri Gokulam Public School, Padivil West, Tripura. My dear students and parents, a very good morning to all of you. Today, Wednesday, 16th June 2021, it's a new beginning for everyone. We are starting our new timetable for the academic year 2021-22 from today onwards. Last 2 weeks, you had been going through introductory sessions. Teachers might have done a brush up of what you have studied in last year. And maybe now all our students are familiar with the Google Meet platform. As I have told you, right now we are following Google Meet platform and we are planning to switch over to Microsoft Teams. The background work is going on, and when we will be introducing Microsoft Teams, there is no need of creating any email ID for the students. We will be giving you an ID and password from the school. It will be created in our system and it will be informed to you. And all of you know that last year when we were following classes in Zoom platform, there were some intruders. We had complaints that from students' email ID, strangers were entering, and it created a lot of inconveniences for all of us. So when we are introducing Microsoft Teams, all these issues can be solved and only one child can enter from the email ID and password given, and all our students will be getting individual email ID and password. And Google Meet also, comparatively, it's a safer platform. That's why we are conducting classes in Google Meet. And my students and also the parents, because home has become a school now. You have to be careful when you are getting the timetable. All the students should be ready at least 10 minutes before the online classes, and you should be well dressed. You should finish your food and all. Parents should not feed the children during the online classes. Parents should not give them something to drink during the online classes. Also, the parents should not watch TV in louder volume, or you should not talk to each other also. And I would like to remind you that all of you should keep your audio in mute. All the students when the teachers are teaching. But your video should be on all the time. Teachers should be able to see you. And the teacher's audio and video both will be on. And when the teachers are taking classes, I would like to remind all my students that attendance is compulsory. All the teachers are instructed to note down attendance for all the classes. And by the end of the month, I will be collecting the attendance sheet from the particular class teachers. So the attendance is really compulsory. You should make it a point that you are not missing any of the classes. Then regarding the new timetable, you know that the neighboring schools and all, they are just conducting classes from 9 to 3 o'clock. They are not giving this much consideration for parents who are having more than one. But here, to the maximum possible, I have considered all the siblings issues, and we have set the timetable in such a way that there won't be many clashes. In other schools, if there are 2 or 3 children at home, the parents are supposed to arrange more than one gadget. Sometimes they are forced to buy 3 or 4 mobile phones for the children. But here, I know our parents, both of you should work to run the family well, and we have considered the working parents. So, maximum possible smaller children, their classes are kept in the evening, and there are only classes for 3 days, and then the other 4 days it's free days for you. You should utilize that time for writing the notes and learning what is being taught in the classroom. You are provided with textbooks and notebooks from the school. Textbooks are meant for you to read. So every lesson you have to read and try to understand. Every day read all the lessons. That's very, very important. And then you have got some printed cursive writing book and handwriting book. It's your responsibility to write at least one page one day. And when you are writing it, please don't write it in a hurry. Take your own time and write. Then only you can improve your handwriting. And in that handwriting book, when you are writing, please write from the lessons which are being taught. So that when you are writing one more time, it will be again one more learning process for you. This is what is meant by that. I request all the parents to cooperate and adjust with the new timetable. Of course, higher graders, we have kept classes for them, I think on Sunday also, because in between they are getting free days. All together, we have framed that timetable in such a way that maximum possible the demands and needs of all the groups are met with. And I would like to give one more word to our parents. You parents, you have showed trust in us. Gokulam School. Gokulam is a very big group. Gokulam is a very stable group. There will be so many disturbances which you come to hear from many corners.